Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the green check mark for your OEX points, how to be sure you would receive your airdrop, alright, and other things you need to know about the delay and possible time to receive yours, alright. So first and first, I'm going to log into my OEX app right now by clicking on sign in. After that, I'll go ahead and type in my passcode, and yes, I'm officially signed in. So the next step to take is to switch from the long testnet to the core mainnet. Now, once you switch from long testnet to core mainnet, you would arrive at the page that looks like this. So what you're meant to do is to click on hub and then click on OEX. Just so you know, even if you decide to head back to the long testnet and then click on OEX, this will still lead you to the same place. Now, the moment you click on OEX, this would reveal your points. And yes, before now, I've created a video informing miners that their balance now corresponds with what is in their Satoshi app. But for this video, we're going to be talking about the green checkmark for our main points. All right, and just below it you can see agiex. Also, this is supposed to be 3, but I'll explain that in a moment. So for you to attain this green check mark, if you withdraw before April 27, then just know that you would have that green check mark. But if you did withdraw after April 27, then you should know that you would have yours in the coming days. Okay, so you just have to be patient. So what we have to do right now to get that green check mark is to go over to the link in the description. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Make sure you follow that link. Just copy that link and paste it in your browser, then click on Google Play Store. Okay, if you download it from GitHub or IPFS, all you have to do is to back up your wallet before doing this. But if you didn't, just go ahead and click on download from Google Play Store. I love downloading from Google Play Store. In my case right here, you're seeing update, but if you're doing this for the first time, you're going to say install, but I believe you already have the app right now, so just go ahead and click on update, because update for Google Play Store is now available. Despite it's not showing in the link, but update is now available, so you can go to Google Play Store right now and click on that update button and your installation would begin. The moment this is done updating, simply click on open and you would arrive at your OEX app. Then sign in and enter your password as usual. As you can see right now, we are in the common net section. What you have to do right now is to click on the hub section. Now, the moment you click on the hub section, go ahead and click on OEX. And yes, as you can see, we now have the green check mark for all. OEX points Satoshi is checked, OEX points agiex is checked, and OEX points OEX is checked. For OEX points Satoshi, that's the one we mined from the Satoshi app. The agiex is the one we claim. For you to claim that, you just have to complete the missions. Okay, once you complete the missions, you'll be able to claim that. Then for OEX points, this is also based on the reward you would receive. More explanation will be coming on that in my subsequent videos. So as you can see, you now have all 3 points checked green. I know before now you have been seeing these and wondering how to get this. The answer is to get your app updated. Now there's something else I want to show you right here. You just have to click this asset section right now, and the moment you do, you get to see that about 5 tokens has been added to this very app, and those 5 tokens are com, boat, yacht, pump, and when. No one knows the future of these cryptocurrencies, but we're hoping they're going to turn out to be a reality someday, something that will really be beneficial to the Satoshi community. But the 3 that are currently tradable right now are com, pump, and when, right now as at the time of creating this video. And right here, another information you need to take note of, which I also mentioned earlier, is that you need to claim agiex tokens. Okay, you have to claim these OEX tokens right here on the OEX app daily, and this happens every 8 hours. But before you be able to claim that, you have to perform these missions. Okay, you have to make sure that these missions are all completed. As you can see, there is mission C, E, X, T, L, and Z, and once you click that icon at the top right hand corner of my screen right there, which says about, it will say complete the missions to link your wallet for airdrop collection and earn free OEX points every 8 hours. Yes, every 8 hours. And just below it says higher completion rate may increase the initial receipt amount and expedite batch entry time for collection. So you'll be one of the first people to receive your OEX airdrop in the OEX app. Okay, so this is the information they're trying to pass to you right here. And how do you claim this OEX token? All you have to do is to go to the hub section. Once you go to the hub section, click on agiex. Once you click on agiex, you would get to see these tokens right here. So I'm going to go ahead and claim this right now, and as you can see right here, 0.1 agiex token, which is the OEX token, has been added to my wallet. Okay, so I now have an extra OEX token. And for you to see this right now, you just have to head back and click on OEX, and you see it right there in the agiex section. Now the next time I'll be able to claim this is in the next 8 hours. So in 24 hours time, you'll only be able to claim it 3 times. So this is it, guys. This is the video I want to bring to your notice today. If you enjoyed it, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so and turn on the notification bell on to all, so that whenever I drop videos like this, you won't miss out at all. If you haven't joined the Satoshi mining app, hop in right now while it's still early, because this app aims to be one of the top airdropping apps in the crypto sphere, and more airdrop like OEX will be introduced in the Satoshi app, so the earlier you join, the better. If you even want to stay more updated, then join our small social media community, which is Facebook, Telegram and WhatsApp, and I'll be happy to welcome you to the team. Until I come your way next time, I remain your crypto guide, Patrick. Stay safe.